Today I'm going to show you how to integrate OneDrive with Notion in the quickest and most seamless way possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to embed live previews of your OneDrive or SharePoint files right into your Notion workspace. That means no more jumping between apps or losing your train of thought just because you need to reference a document stored in another platform. Let's dive right into it. So here's the basic idea. Notion allows you to paste sharing links from OneDrive or SharePoint directly on a page. If you're working on a project plan, taking meeting notes, or gathering research, you'll be able to click and instantly see what's inside your files without ever leaving Notion. Super convenient, right? Let's walk through the steps, and I'll make sure to point out all the little details that help this integration work smoothly. First up, grab the sharing link for the OneDrive or SharePoint file you want to add. You can do this by right-clicking the file in OneDrive. This could be a Word document, a PowerPoint deck, or even an Excel spreadsheet, and choosing Share, then copying the link provided. Notion works best with links that anyone with the link can view, so make sure your sharing permissions are set up correctly. This is especially important if you're collaborating or plan to share this Notion page with teammates. Think of it like sharing an address to your house. The other person won't be able to get in if the door is locked. Now head back over to your Notion workspace and find the spot where you want to add the preview. This could be in the middle of a meeting agenda, at the top of a project tracker, or wherever it makes sense for your workflow. Paste the OneDrive or SharePoint sharing link right onto the Notion page. Notion will automatically recognize it as a link. You'll see a little menu pop up at the bottom of the pasted link. Here, where the magic happens. On that pop-up menu, select Paste as Preview. This tells Notion you don't just want the link sitting there, you want a live, interactive window into the file. The preview will show up as a block on your page, giving you a quick snapshot of what's inside. If you've ever used a photo frame, it's kind of like having a real-time window to your document or spreadsheet, always up to date whenever you or your collaborators make changes in OneDrive. Now, if this is your first time adding a OneDrive or SharePoint preview in Notion, you'll need to connect your Microsoft account. Don't worry, this part is straightforward. In the preview block, you'll see a prompt that says Connect to OneDrive SharePoint. Click that button, and a window will pop up asking you to sign in with your Microsoft credentials. It might feel a little nerve-wracking the first time, but all you're doing is giving Notion permission to pull in those live previews on your behalf. It's a totally secure process. Just follow the prompts, grant permission, and you're good to go. And that's really all there is to it. From now on, you'll be able to glance at your OneDrive or SharePoint files directly from Notion. No extra tabs, no hunting for the right window. It's a small workflow tweak, but it makes a huge difference, especially if you work across multiple platforms or collaborate with a large team. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or run into snags, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more tutorials like this to streamline your digital life, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.